This mission is dangerous. The enemies are well trained and well armed. There will be unforeseen peril. Count me in! Hello everybody, welcome to Cardboard Kizuna. Today we're going to be opening up a box of the Bunko Fantasia Vol.2. This is my first time opening this. It's a compilation of a bunch of different animes. I looked at the list. The first two that I immediately recognized was Date Alive and of course High School DxD, because who hasn't seen all that? Some secret rares in here that are really cool looking, some SPs. I'll actually put them up on the screen, some of my favorites, and fingers crossed that we actually pull a few of these. Okay, obviously I would love to get maybe some Karumi cards, and obviously Rias from High School DxD. Cute looking box topper going first. Set you off to the side. Okay, and as usual, yeet. Okay, let's go into it. If y'all haven't already done so, consider subscribing. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I can finally open up a box of No Game, No Life, and I have been excited to do it. This artwork is cute. Ooh, those eyes are scary. Wow, look how pretty that art is. What anime is this? Somebody let me know, because it's really pretty art. A lot of these animes are really pretty. This is a double rare. I almost didn't notice. Got some kind of chunky foiling on it. A little bit subtle. Maybe it's just the way my lighting is. Okay, put you in the double rare pile up here. Whoa! Oh my goodness, look at this! Whoa! Yeah. Alright, Akeno. Alright. Making me jealous over there. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, there's some spicy cards in here. Here's our rare. Can't complain with that. Put you in the rare pile. Yeah, not a bad start. First pack, it's getting spicy already. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty looking. All right. Overpowered mother. That's funny. Oh, look at this. Nia. Yeah, it's a very nice outfit. I like it. I like that it's see-through in all the right places. Very cute looking. I got another double rare. That's the second double rare in a row. I like the braid. Yeah, the art style is not as nice as some of the other ones. Definitely not as spicy. Put you in the double rare pile. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, the artwork is very different between the different animes. Oh, this is cute. This is a rare. More the chunky foiling. Cat nun costume. Combines the best of both worlds. Okay, put you on the rare. I feel bad even covering that last card up. Okay. Yeah, if y'all have any recommendations of any of the animes from here, please let me know in the comments. I would love to expand my horizons. I'm always looking for new things to watch. Oh, that's cute looking. For the sake of my love, die, Demon Lord. For the sake of my love. It was tough love. Some really tough love. Look at the art style in this. That's normally I'm not a fan of the kind of, I don't know, muted colors, but that's actually pretty cool looking. Oh, they're adorable. Interesting. I got kind of a Love is War vibe from that. Here's our rare secret between siblings. Akira. Oof, what kind of secret do they have between siblings? I've seen those animes. Kiss X6. Ooh. Okay, moving right along. Let's get another one. All right, wedding costume. That's a pretty looking card. I like the purple and kind of the look she has. A little bit distance in her eyes. 3-person date. 3-person date. Oh, I don't think she's super happy. Okay. Oh, look how tender that is. The two who were rescued. That art style is kind of neat looking. Double rare. Our third double rare of the box. I think we actually just saw this card. The victory is for me, Lena. I have no idea what anime this is from. Put you in the double rare pile. Uh-oh. Got us 2 wedding dresses? That triple date turned into a double marriage. Nice. Alright. Reborn Angel. Oh, here we go. Got our first Kurumi card. Nice. Sweet looking. Yeah, she was probably my favorite character. I think she was everybody's favorite character in Date A Live. Yeah. Okay. Into the rare pile. Oh, accidentally put the climax rare. Wedding cake. Look at those eyes. Very distinct style. Okay. Alright, got 1 Kurumi card. Haven't seen any Rias though. Ooh, look how cute that is. Cute moment. Here's that old school style. Reminds me of like the anime in the 80s and early 90s. It's cute. Very very curvy t-shirt. Anime physics are amazing with... Oh, we got our first SR. Forget her. Annette. Look at all the equipment behind her. Oh, it's kind of scary. Yeah, she's pretty adorable though. And she's got a little bit of rosy cheeks thing going on. She's blushing a little bit. Okay, cool. Got our first SR. Let's move you up there. Whoa. Alright. I like this. I like this art style. Yeah, y'all tell me what anime this is. Oh, it's another one. These pictures with all the equipment behind them. It's kind of strange. What anime is this too? Another one. Here's our rare. It's like they're spies and this is all their spy equipment. Okay, put you into the rare pile. Unfortunately, that goes on top of Kurumi. On top of Kurumi, huh? Oh, that's cute looking. Interesting art style. Look at those eyes. Oh my goodness. Oof, scary. There's a lot going on in this one. Oh, we got our second SR of the box. Okay, it's quite a mouthful. I'm gonna try to read all this. Let's see. Is a reincarnated princess and genius young lady Anisphia and Euphelia? I'm sure I butchered half of that sentence at least. Okay, kind of cool. Put that up there. Got us a swimsuit one. Alright, I like it. I like swimsuit cards. Okay. Insatiable appetite. Look at that anime style. I'm telling you, it gives me nostalgia just seeing that. Glenn the Fool. This is me. I'm the fool. Got us a rare. Alright, Glenn, you can go up there. Oh, we got us a climax. Kurumi. Okay, looks like we're halfway done. Got 2 SRs, a couple double Rs. Ooh, kick off this half with a Kurumi card. Oh, that's a pretty looking card. Just a common, but looks kind of neat. Maple Kitchen is Zuzu. Oh, double rare. Another Kurumi. Yay. Nice. Awesome. Yeah, this art style is really pretty. Whatever anime that's from. Kind of a cute look. Got us a rare. She's drooling a little bit. Psh, is Shua-chan. Drinking stream. Drinking stream. What does that even mean? Must be a translation issue there. Drinking what kind of stream? Oh no. Young lady in battle. That's kind of cool looking. Huh. Alright. Let's move those out of the way. Alright. Okay, got us a little reverse pose here. Okay, kind of cute. Whoa. She looks a little roughed up. Alright. Cute card. We've seen this, but now it's an SR version. Oh, we got this twice. I mean, I'm not complaining that it came in pairs. Okay. Third SR of the box. Let's put that up there. That's a cute outfit. Adorable. Uh-oh. Another one of those ones, the spy looking ones with all the stuff in the background. All the spy equipment. Got us a rare. what appears to be a falcon, maybe. Into the rare pile, and then here's our. That's actually kind of cute looking. I actually really like the climax rares in these packs. Honestly, I really like opening up these Bunko sets. I think they're really cool because there's so many different animes and there's so much to see. I may actually order a few more of these. The Fantasia and the well, the other one that I opened, I don't remember. See how many of these I can get. Look at that. Look at the way her hair is drawn. It's really pretty. Treating everyone equally. Megumi. Ooh, got us a 4th SR. Huh. Interesting. Graduation speech. Okay, she's drawn from that anime where they have the really, really dark eyes. Hey, we got 4. That's kind of cool. I can't remember last time I got 4 SRs from a box. Cute looking outfits. Our regular rare, got a little open shirt lingerie thing going on. A really, really cute expression. It's even in the title. Is Zuzu changing clothes? Sorry, I wasn't looking at the title. I'm sure you know what I was looking at. And our climax. Okay. 3 packs left. See where it goes from here. Okay, back to the old school style. I don't even know how to place that. That's interesting looking. I've seen her before in one of the other cards. Oh, another SR. Maybe there's more SRs in these boxes than normal. Renewed Blessing Software. Okay, kind of cool looking. Kind of pretty. Put you in the SR pile, which is now very much a pile. Oh, that skirt is short. Oof. That is a tiny, tiny, tiny skirt. Okay, interesting anime style. It's a very contoury jacket. Incredibly contoured. These are rare too. Yeah, it's actually a pretty card. Very cute. Put you up there in the rare pile. Slope that led to destiny. You must be sliding down the slope. It's an interesting camera angle. Okay, 2 more packs left. Almost done. Alright, Frolicking by the Beach. Oh, look at the outfit behind her. Got kind of a leather or animal print thing going on. Although, what are those shapes on there? I thought they were leopard stripes, but I don't know. Kind of looks like something they're trying to cover up. Alright. That's a cute looking pose. Cute card. Maid and Bodyguard. Interesting anime style. The art style is really cool. Oh, this is kind of a cool looking card. I like this. Man, that would have been a cool SR maybe. See, maybe the neon was foiled. Young Lady's Seduction. Alright. Okay, see, even this style reminds me of, you know, the older animes. Here's our rare Preserving Student Council. Got her little crown on. And Day of Encountering Destiny. I can only imagine. Maybe her hat got blown off and it brought her into the life of somebody special. Okay, last pack. See if we get a good luck. One more nice pull would be great. Maybe a Rias. I haven't seen Rias in here. Hopefully it's not just the Japanese version and I could just be completely wrong. Ah, that's a cute outfit. Kaleidoscope. That's also really cute with the glasses. Okay, last chance for an SP coming up. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get it. Cute picture. Yeah, there's a lot going on in this one. And our rare. Reaching Out Megumi. That's a cute outfit. Cute looking little chair, couch thing she's sitting on. Put you in the rare pile. And our last climax rare. Why not? Climax rares have been spicier than the rares this time. Okay, let's do a quick recap of the rares and the double rares and the SRs. Just to see them all one more time. I like that card, it's pretty. I like that card too. Old school. I think she's the one with the drool on her face. Glenn the Fool. Glenn the Fool. Okay, Lily. There's a Karumi. It's a cute look. Secret between siblings. Oh gosh. I don't want to know what that secret is. Cat Nun costume. I'm all for it. You know, we were really spicy at the beginning of this box, and I think it kind of cooled off. Because seeing these again, it's... Double R, the Karumi. The Victory is Me, Lena. Peaceful Days Forever. And the last double R is the one I'm not going to try to say that again because it's like 38 characters. Okay. And our SRs. Unfortunately, we didn't get any SPs, but there's a lot of SRs in this box. This might be my favorite SR right here. Probably not. It's a cute one too. Y'all let me know what anime this is, 'cause I'm curious. Okay, if y'all made it this far, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed or hit the like button or gave me a comment. If I get 100 subscribers, I can finally open up that box of No Game, No Life. Y'all have a nice day.